Picture this. Friends or family are coming over, and you want to serve something that looks and tastes spectacular, but doesn't take hours to prepare. Here's a life pro tip for you. Master a couple of quick, easy recipes that will impress anyone walking through your door. Let's dive into 3 foolproof options: a delightful appetizer, a show-stopping main course, and a decadent dessert. Start with a simple bruschetta. All you need is fresh baguette slices, ripe tomatoes, basil, garlic, olive oil, and a splash of balsamic vinegar. Toast the baguette slices, mix the chopped tomatoes with the basil and garlic, and spoon it over the bread. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and voila, you have an elegant starter. For the main course, consider a garlic butter shrimp pasta. Cook your pasta according to the package instructions. In a pan, melt butter and sauté garlic until fragrant. Add shrimp and cook until pink, then toss with the pasta. Sprinkle with parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice for a fresh finish. Finally, end on a sweet note with chocolate lava cakes. Mix chocolate, butter, sugar, eggs, and a bit of flour. Pour into ramekins and bake. The result? A rich, gooey center that will leave your guests in awe. With these recipes up your sleeve, you'll be the host with the most effortlessly blending simplicity with gourmet flair.